So now we're going to talk a little bit about strategy. What exactly is strategy? Well, it's really about how you get to your vision. Strategy is all about how you're going to turn your vision into reality. And when you're building strategy, there's many factors that you need to take into account, such as user needs. It's really important that you understand who your target users are and what are their needs that could be solved by your product. Key features is another important area. Here you'll want to spend time thinking about what's the right mix of features and functionality that will meet your users' needs and create value for them. Additionally, are these features things that will result in people using your product? And will these features result in people being willing to buy or pay for your product? Understanding competitors and how your product can be differentiated is also important. This means understanding on a deeper level what are competitors doing and how is your product different from those competitors. It's also important to understand how your product can help to achieve business goals. In order to do that, you have to understand what are the needs and goals of the company. Usually this will be related to revenue, but it's not necessarily always the case. The other thing that you need to think about here is how can you measure these goals? And lastly, it's really important to be aware of and understand trends. For example, how is the market changing over time? And how are user behaviors and needs changing over time?